Hey guys, and welcome to Quellz World. I'm your host, Mr. JD Quellz. First off, I thought I'd make this video just to give you guys an introduction about myself and where I think this channel's heading, or where I know this channel's heading. My name is Quellz. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm a big car enthusiast. I started my first group in 2010 called JD and Mass. With the help of a couple good friends, we grew the group exponentially over 20,000 members. I'm also into firearms. I started my own business called Precision Training, where I teach people firearm safety, teach them how to handle a firearm properly, and pretty much take them to the advance. If you guys are interested in that, check out that link below. I've always been a big amateur filmmaker. I've done different reviews on cars, guns, pretty much any travel experience I've ever done, and posted them up on different social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. But I thought, what better way to get it to a better quality than bringing it to YouTube? So if you guys like what you see, comment, share, and subscribe, and send a little like. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys will see when my next video comes out. I'm gonna try to do a video every week, but right now we're in the rough months in New England where the weather is really, really bad. Today was like negative 18 degrees and negative 32 in some parts of Massachusetts. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Have a good day, guys.